Welcome back to my channel. This is Maram, your girl, with another skincare video. I am back here like I never left. How are you all doing? So guys, I am super amazed and excited to come back here with another episode. Guys, today I'm going to talk about lotion or body cream. I'm going to tell you guys what to do and what not to do, and I'm also going to talk about oil. This is my oil. It's even about finishing, but it doesn't matter. I just brought it here for a sample. So I'm going to be using two products to tell you guys how to use them. These are the things I do, and it helps me to get that beautiful skin without no problem or no complication. Let's just get started into this. Guys, whenever you have a body lotion or a body cream that is in this type of container, or the one that is in a container where you just open the cover, no matter what, after using it, close the cream. Close it. Don't allow any air to enter the cream. We need to be neat. We need to be so clean. We need to be so clean. We are ladies. Always get use of, when there is excess hair, just rub it out so that it will look neat. Out, clean it, let it look neat. Let it look neat. So you start from the bottle before your body. Start from the bottle before your body. Some people, they can even put their cream inside the fridge. That's fine, it's okay, but I don't do that. I always put my cream on top of the dressing table, because anytime I need it, I can use it. Because this particular cream I'm using is a cream that is compatible to my skin, so I use it every now and then. Always apply cream in the night. When you take your bed, maybe you have a body scrub, you scrub your body so smooth and clean, then you come out of the bathroom, try and use oil. Apply oil to moisturize your body. It can be olive oil, it can be almond oil, it can be any type of oil. It can be bio oil. You know, there is bio oil. Bio oil is very good because it helps you not to have wrinkles. It helps you not to look so old. It helps you to make your body so fresh and flawless, and it's gonna make your skin so moist, and you will always remain young. So basically, use bio oil as well. It's very important. If you don't have bio oil, you better go and grab it, because I also use bio oil and it helps me a lot. In the other method you can use on applied cream is, after taking your bed, use this cream, the lotion, and apply on your body. After applying your body with the lotion, then you can use the oil and apply it on your body, then go to bed. Then the next day you can switch. Maybe you apply the lotion with the oil, or you apply just the oil or the lotion. Any one you prefer, you can use it. But in the daytime, after taking your bath, your shower, don't apply anything on your body, because your body will still look shining and smooth, because you have already used this in the night, so your body has slept with it overnight. Then when you wake up, you're gonna look that fresh and glowing. So don't always try to use this when you come outside there and the sun is so hot, especially when you are in Africa. So avoid it. It's an X. Avoid it, okay? If you want to look fresh and good, avoid it. I'm talking to you. See, the cream is on my cheek. So the other step I want to tell you about your lotion is, stop buying every other cream you hear that is okay. If it's not home remedy, don't go for it. Check your skin, which cream is compatible with your skin, and go for that. There are people who, you know, they are like skin doctors. Those people are dermatologists. They will look at your skin and know that, okay, I think your skin goes with this product. I think your skin goes with that. Try it. They will tell you to go and try it for 1 week, 2 weeks, and you come back. Then you will see that those people are specialized on that particular thing, that is your skincare, and they will help you. And from there, you can kick up with using that skin cream. And whenever your cream finishes and you don't have it, wait for it until you get it. Be applying shea butter. It can avoid you to have damage, skin damage, or dry skin cell. Avoid it. Avoid those things. So shea butter can amend it, or use Vaseline. Vaseline can make you dark, but it's also good. But because my cream is finished and I saw that Maram's cream is super amazing on her, so I'm gonna buy her cream. Don't do that. It's a no, don't go for that. So that's step number 2. Always go to see a dermatologist and let them check your skin, which cream is compatible with you. If you don't have a dermatologist, you can also try organic products that are sold in the pharmacies, and then you use them. Let it not have hydroquinone, because when it has hydroquinone, it can make you to feel like you are bleaching. It can make you bleach, and when you are bleaching and your skin is not really that good, you will see that you'll be having dark knuckles, you'll be having dark ankles. And when you have a dark knuckle, you cannot even raise your hands like this, because you feel like when you do it, it's going to be nasty and people cannot look at you. So if you don't want to have dark knuckles, don't go for any kind of skin product that has hydroquinone, because it's not really good for you. It's not meant for you. Stay away from it. If you want to bleach, that's fine. You can go for the best product. And I have another thing I want to tell you guys. If you want to really bleach, don't go for cheap creams. Don't go for it. Go for the expensive ones that are gonna make you have a glowing and toning skin without too much stress. Because if you go for the bad ones, you always end up regretting why you use that lotion. So please, I'm talking to you. If you want to bleach, you can bleach, but don't use any cream that is gonna damage your skin, and you will look forward to repair it. So that is a no. Okay, then step number 3, always try to use your body cream for your face cream. I know so many people out there will say that they have facial cream because that cream is meant for the face, this cream is meant for the body. That's fine. You can do whatever you want to do. You can count thousands of creams on top of your dressing table, but that can never give you a good skin if you are not careful. Because buying every product you see out there for your skin can give you dark spots, rashes and pimples and so on. And to get those things are more easier than to clear them out. Yes, so you better avoid those things before you get a bad skin. So maintain your lotion, and then don't always use anything for your face that you don't know about. Or when you try it once and you see rashes or different kind of appearance in your body, on your face, stop it and go for the one you need. So when you're buying a facial cream, always go for what is compatible to your skin, what matches with your skin. Then this particular lotion is what I use for my body and use for my face. Why? Because I have a reason. My body from the face to the toe is all the same, so I always try to apply the same body lotion to my face so that I can get that natural tone without hair being dark or hair being fair. So everything is gonna be smooth and it's gonna give me the same complexion, and that's the reason why I use everything. So you can try it. If you have never tried using your body cream for your face, you can try it. It's gonna work for you. Okay guys, so I think I have said a lot about body lotion, but always try to go for what is compatible to your skin. I think that's the main advice. And also be using oil to moisturize your body. So always use moisturizer to remove all the dead skin and so on. And always scrub your body. Be scrubbing your body every now and then, 2 times in a week if you are lazy. If you are a lazy person, 2 times in a week. If you are not lazy, you can do it morning and evening for a week, 2 weeks. Then you see that your body is gonna change from 0 to 100 because you have been doing it consecutively, and you will see the difference between you not scrubbing and you scrubbing your body. Because when you scrub, you are trying to clear all the dead skin cells on your body, so your body is gonna look fresh and grow new skin. So definitely you're gonna use that. And this oil can also be applied on your fingers, like around your nails, so that your nails can grow so well and you will not be having any damage of nails. And if your nails are fragile, always try to apply olive oil or almond oil, because it's also going to help you to grow. And this part is going to be moisture, because every now and then when your hands are inside water like Maram, you will see that your hands are not going to be naked. So please, after doing everything, always try to apply hand cream. Yes, apply hand cream so that your hands can look moist and they can look smooth and then easy to touch. Yes guys, so thank you so much for this video. I hope that you guys are gonna learn from this video and also benefit from what I am saying here. I know I don't know much, but the little I know I'm gonna share with you guys. So I love you guys so much, and I hope that you guys will subscribe to this video as usual. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.